Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to get the user information like whether the user is connected to the internet or whether he is online or offline, if he is connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data or anything. These are all the information: frequency, is connected, IP address and Wi-Fi enabled type, and details of this network information. So let us see how to do this practically. Before doing this, you can see the demo of how it works. Now you can see here, once user clicks on this net info, you can see the different details here. And the next one is if user disconnects to the Wi-Fi, you can see the connected type is gone to none and is connected is false. Now if I connect to this Wi-Fi, it will automatically detect the internet, and you can see that the connected will be true and the connection type will be Wi-Fi and all. If I move to cellular network, you can see the connection type is cellular and is connected is true, like this. So you can get all this information. So let us see how to do this practically. For this I have created a project called tnative, and I am going to give this code in my Blogger URL. So you can go to that URL and find out the code. So I am going to write this code in the home.js. So let us write it from the scratch. So for this, first we need to install the command. So I am going to open the integrated terminal, and you need to use the command npm install @react native community /netinfo. So this is the package we need to install. So it will take some time to get installed. So the package got installed successfully, and if you want to verify that, you can go to package.json and you can see the React Native community /netinfo, and the version is 7.1.7 when I am recording this video. It might vary when you are installing this package in your environment. So the next thing is we need to import the netinfo from React Native community and netinfo. So in the imports, we need to import netinfo from @react native community /netinfo. So we need to import this netinfo from this netinfo package. Now I am going to create a variable here. So this variable is used for storing the network information of the user. Const netinfo, set net information equal to use state of empty, or it can be the object. So we are going to use it as this is the functional component. Now let us create a view. Inside this view, I want to have a text and a button. After this text, I will take a button from React Native and on press. So once user clicks on this button, on press event handler will be called, and we will be calling handle get network information method. So we are gonna create a method here. This is the arrow function. By using arrow functions, we are creating the method in this functional component. Now we will use this netinfo and get the network information once user clicks on this button. So to this view, I am gonna take a style equal to styles dot container style. So this container I am gonna create here, and to this button I I'm going to give a title called get network information. So once user clicks on this will be called, and here it will be, we will be writing the code. So here I'm going to take a flex as 1 and justify content as center and align items as center. Now we'll go to this method and write and get our information from this net info dot. So this net info consists of all this, like fetch and add event listener, use net info and configure. So we are going to use this fetch inside this net info dot fetch. This is the method. So this will get the state here or data. Using arrow function, we are going to show an alert message here. So the connection type, we are going to take state dot connection type like that. State dot type, and after this we are going to take is connected. State dot is connected. So we can have all this information, is Wi-Fi enabled or is internet reachable, is connected, like this. So different things here. So as of now I'm logging this in the console, so you can get all the information whatever the state is returning. Now let us open our application. So you can see here, this is the header, and here get net information. So once user clicks on this, we will be able to see the connection type and is connected and all the information. So as we have kept the console log, we can see what are the information the state is returning here. So these are the different information the state is returning. The details like carrier and cellular generation, is connected and all, is internet reachable, is Wi-Fi enabled and all. So based on the internet type, whether it is Wi-Fi or mobile data, these details will be changed accordingly. Now sometimes we want to know the information whether the user is connected to the internet or not. Once user disconnects from the net, instead of clicking on the button, so for that we need to create a use effect. So by using this code, we will automatically know once the internet is disconnected. Now we will take a variable here called some data is equal to net info. So in this net info we have different methods here. As we should know once user is disconnected from the internet or once user goes to the online or offline, we need to get that information automatically. So for this we are gonna using add event listener. So this add event listener will listens to the events of the user, like the network information of the user. So we can show some alert or console log like that. Now let us save this. So we need to show it on the upload. So once it is done, we need to unsubscribe to the events. So for this, I'm gonna call data here. So this data will be unsubscribed. Now let us save this and check whether it's working or not. Now I'm going to turn off my Wi-Fi. So here I'm gonna, instead of doing the console log, I'm gonna set this set netinfo. With the state information. So similarly like this, you can copy this and paste here. So once user turns off his Wi-Fi, or if he is online or offline, we will set this netinfo and we will show the netinfo to the user, or we will get the netinfo in our application. In order to see this, I am interpolating here. Now let us save this and check whether it's working or not. So here, if you see here, connection type is Wi-Fi and is connected is true. Now I'm gonna remove this Wi-Fi or internet. You can see the connection type is none and is connected is false. You can get the same information here. Now if I connect to it, you will be able to see it will be changed accordingly. Connection type will be Wi-Fi and is connected will be true. So in this way you can get the net or user information or network information of the user by using React Native. Thank you.